How to see private account posts on Instagram. So guys, I just don't want to spoil your time. I just don't want to scam you guys. I'm trying to be honest and I'm trying to spread awareness. It's not possible. If you think you can see private account or private account post, it's not possible. And if someone claims you that you can do it, don't do that ever, because that is a scam and that will spoil your Instagram account. They might take your Instagram account. There are tons of YouTubers, fake YouTubers who will try to install malware in your device and try to hijack your phone. And don't fall on those traps. I'm just making this awareness video. Don't hate me for this. I know this is not what you guys were looking for, but to be honest, you can't do it. You can't see private account posts on Instagram. Before it was possible through some loopholes, but Instagram has patched every loopholes. Now there is none. Okay, there is no loopholes. You cannot see a private account post or a private account. The only way is just follow, and if they follow back, then so, but you were not looking for this. I know you are disappointed, but trust me, don't get scammed. And yeah, I wish all the best. Thanks for watching and have